This year marks the 250th anniversary of the United States. In honor of that, we decided it was the right time to take on a new project. That project starts with Calamity Jane. For years, this truck has worn a patriotic wrap showcasing veterans from right here in Teton Valley, honoring the men and women from our local community who've served this country. It's carried that message through sun, weather, and countless miles, and it's done exactly what it was meant to do. But wraps don't last forever. Time, UV exposure, and road wear slowly break vinyl down, fading colors, cracking edges, and signs of age you can't ignore. So instead of simply replacing the old wrap, we're using this milestone as an opportunity to improve and perfect our iconic design. But first, the old wrap has to come off. Okay, now we're going to remove the existing wrap, carefully peeling back the vinyl, removing leftover adhesive, and prepping every surface, because a new wrap is only as good as the surface underneath it. Now on to the design process, printing, and finally wrapping. Stop by for the next steps in part 2.